Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple and delicious pear dessert. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I've got some puff pastry here, and then I'm going to put some flour on the work surface and roll it out. I'm using 125 grams of puff pastry and 1 pear. Okay, I've rolled out the puff pastry. I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on it. I've got some pears that I've already cut into pieces like that. I'm going to put some more cinnamon sugar on them. To arrange the pear pieces like this. This is 1 large pear that I'm using. You can use any size pear and any size puff pastry. See, I've got a border around this because I'm going to fold it over. Okay, I think I'll add some more cinnamon sugar. Now, get the pastry, fold it on top and pinch it down as best as you can. Do the same for the sides. It will puff up when it's baking. That's fine. I'm going to lift it up and place it on there. You could actually shape your pastry. It's actually better to shape it on your cookie tray. Okay. Now this is going to go in the oven for a few minutes until the pastry is nice and risen and golden brown on top. Okay, the pie is ready. Now I'm going to dust some icing sugar on top. Cut a slice. I'll show you the bottom. You can see it's nicely baked and it smells amazing. I'm going to put some, you can serve it like that, or you can add some ice cream on top. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.